Hey, what's up everybody, Michael here, and today I have gotten a package. I'm sorry for the background noise. It's my fan, it's like really hot in here. So, and let's go open this package and see what I got, because I don't remember what I got. So let's go. Okay, let's open this battery. Okay, so I gotta open the knife again. Okay. This is like awesome. This is all for the GoPro, by the way. So this is what it looks like. Okay, let's open this. How do I open this? This is actually pretty cool. So, because I don't want to ruin the package. Okay, so maybe, okay, I figured it out. I'm just gonna stick this, wedge this open, the glue, right? And, oh, well, I always ruin this. Anyway, so, why not? There's no going back anyways, because I ripped it. There's no right way to open this. Okay, let's see it. Oh, wow. Manual. And then the battery. Awesome. So cool. Wow. I'm gonna go charge this up. This will help everything with video production on the GoPro and stuff like that. Okay, now time for the SD card, micro SD card. I have one of these, but like, well, I guess I get a new one, you know. Okay, so let's open it. Okay, so to open it, I'm just going to like maybe do that to end it also. Okay, there we go. Okay, so as you can see, this is the old one I got. This micro SD card right here was from GoPro. It's a 64 gigabyte micro SD card. So it is a little bit different. It will look like that. It's amazing. Looks nice. It's pretty cool. Do some video production stuff. More gigabyte for me. This SD card reader is good for me for my MacBook, so I can upload photos / videos onto it, you know. So I'm just gonna take the 128 gigabyte one and stick into the GoPro for all-time use. This would be like in the camera bag. I don't really need anything else. This is going to be amazing, last longer recording time, and I'm just going to and it's also good in the freezer or cold weather, should I say? But yeah. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed me unboxing this with this 128 gigabyte with this battery. It's amazing. Okay. So guys, make sure to subscribe, turn notifications, give this video a thumbs up. See you guys in the next video. Peace guys.